LNG 131. New LNG ships have a capacity of 45% above what they had in 2008. Wage of a Spanish captain 2008 was 4,320, which we had employed. Now they are around these 7K. If still they do 71 days on off, that means that they get 14K. But the biggest competitive advantage of the Spanish flag is the talent retention. Why? It's the only country in this planet that one day employed on board the Spanish second register equals 2 days you and me have to work our lifespan. So you and me have to work 50 years of our lives to accrue 25% of an LNG officer. It means that they can retire at 55. It means that those joining your good company will never ever live for another. Therefore, it means huge talent retention, has 90% grant profit tax. Well, we can disregard that one. We can really regard 50% income tax deduction. So if a captain gets something like 90 or 100K, the bracket is 50%. Therefore, instead of a 45%, would pay 18. Then also we have a grant of Social Security, 90% employer, which is around this 28, so it's 2.8. For 2.8, you get sanitary assistance, pension, unemployment, the whole lot. Sanitary assistance for the whole family. So please, think about it, because today, if some are paying 14K for a master, we could really have a capacity of 45% bigger ships, and then really go under a 20 snipper target. How many? Well, we already said the figure, 20 LNGs. We are really happy to make this budget tailored for you, so you can present to the CEO. If you're listening, dear CEO, you can have a stability of 25 years, 50 years, like we have done that before. Why not do it again? Now is the right time. Why? Because here in Spain, Bilbao, even though the employment conditions and the bureaucracy is like very, very complicated, if you add all these points, some others have done it before, and if you have the database that we have and the expertise that we have, 126 years in Candina alive, competing, now is the right time to do these 20 ships for 25 years or 30 years. Well, is this enough area for you to invest goodwill? We will do a tailor-made budget for you for 50K approx, and then you can really sleep at ease the next 30 years.